Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to explore some underwater tunnels at this cool beach spot. Down there. Okay, wait, I'm watching for copperheads. Here is our way down. Where we go down. This is where we saw the copperhead last time.
Yeah, we out here.
I'm just gonna throw it. Following the trail of someone who's been sliding down this whole thing. There are people down there, we can confirm.
Oh!
We're moving upstream because people were already at the beach. So blinking. The camera's about to die. I thought I charged it overnight.
Oh my gosh. There's a huge one right here.
A huge tunnel?
Yes, I don't know where it goes though.
We've been exploring tunnels for a while. The GoPro battery died, so we'll have to bring back more batteries, extra batteries next time. And we're headed out. We made it up. Made it back to the rope and the view. Climbed out. We're on our way back to the car. We were down there.
Yeah, boy! Bang! Bang! Straight bang!
We're going into Davy Jones' locker. Copperhead chilling in the rock. Okay.
I was fixing to climb up there. We're good as long as we just go.
I'm getting away from here. Frick Davy Jones' locker, dude.
Oh, shit. Get out! It didn't even move. Dude, I almost stepped on it.
Over there. This is the meat grinder.
Yeah.
It's like a whirlpool.
Oh,
it's a Geico green lizard.
oh, that's
He's
sick.
pumping it up.
Bye-bye.
Too much. Powerful. Too much.
You try. For the box. Hands in front of you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I just want to put this out there. If you come across any rapids out hiking or something, don't just jump into them like we were in this video. We've been going to this spot for over a year now, so we know where all the rocks are underwater. We swam in it when the water was low and high. Just want to make sure you guys are staying safe if you do go swimming outside. Anyways, if you like this video, hit that like button below. It'll really help me out. And smash subscribe for more videos, guys. I'll see y'all next time.